80 words English shorthand dictation. Rajeshri Venkatramanan. Please write 3 or 4 times each dictation and subscribe, like and share. Okay, we can start. We thank you with all our hearts on my behalf and on behalf of my friends for your warm welcome. We greet your association and consider its work to be highly useful for the people of this country. Before we came to your country, we did not know it well. We felt this ignorance more keenly when we arrived here. Even though our stay in India is short, it has helped us to understand it to a considerable extent. In order to know one another better, it is important to have direct contact. We shall see to it that an educational institution is open in our country in which our best youth could learn the languages of your country. This will help to promote still better understanding between our peoples and make it possible for us to know one another better. We want all nations to be independent and to develop as they wish. We want them to promote the economy and culture in every way and to live in peace and friendship. We wish you success. We, for our part, will do everything in our power so that the friendship between our peoples and our two countries may grow stronger and flourish. We came to India on a visit of friendship at the invitation of the Indian government. Our visit is of major significance for the further improvement of the friendly relations between our countries and for world peace. The joint declaration signed by us sets forth the views of the statesmen of both countries on the most important aspect of the relations between us. It is not only highly important in strengthening the friendly relations between the two countries, but it is also of great international significance. During our stay in India, we have visited a number of towns, regions, big construction projects, industrial enterprises, agricultural reconstruction centers, and scientific institutions, and have been some remarkable monuments of ancient architecture. We have acquainted ourselves with the life and activities of the different people, with the progress they have made during the years of independence, and have formed some idea of the vast national resources. We have been highly impressed by your desire for peace and friendly cooperation with all countries. I am very glad to meet you again today. The 14 months that have elapsed since I last addressed you have been a period of great events, both in their immediate effect and in their ultimate reaction on the fortunes of civilization and the history of the world. I then warned you that we should be ill advised if we thought that victory was easily achieved, or that the course of the conflict would be free from rivers to our arms.